Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about the basic conception of straight line. So first we define what is straight line. That is a locus of moving point. It travels straight distance with respect to time. In other way, we can say a straight line defined as the curve which is such that the line segment joining any 2 points on it lies wholly on it. Suppose this one is curved and there is any 2 points joining these 2 points. This segment wholly lie on this curve. So this segment is called a straight line. There is another straight line such as this. So direction of number 1 straight line and number 2 straight line are different. To represent this, we have to use different types of formula and mathematically represent these two lines into different ways. To make it show what is the direction of this straight line, we have to learn the slope or gradient of a straight line. So what is slope? Slope or gradient of a straight line means a straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Then tan theta is called slope of this line. Thus, if a straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then value of tan theta, that is m, is called slope of this line. Suppose a straight line passing through 2 points such as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then from figure it is clear that this one is x1 and this one is x2. So this is x2 minus x1 and this one is y1 and this one is y2. So this length is y2 minus y1. So if we extend this line, this makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, and this line obviously parallel to the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle also theta, and hence from this triangle we have m equals to tan theta equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and that is the definition of slope of a line. Thus we see that slope of a line is tan theta equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is the difference between ordinates and difference between two axes ratio. So, if a straight line passing through two different points, 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2, in that case, slope of this line is m equals to minus 2 minus of minus 1. That is, if we consider this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2, then y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this one is minus 1 upon minus 1. So this is 1. So slope of this line is 1. So from the definition of slope, that is m equals to tan theta equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, we have if y2 minus y1 equals to 0, y2 minus y1 equals to 0, that is y2 equals to y1. In that case, obviously, a line which is parallel to x-axis, in that case, angle of inclination of the required line with the positive direction of x-axis is 0, and hence slope in that case is also tan of 0 equals to 0, as any line parallel to x-axis which contains y ordinates are equal in all the situations. Here x varies minus to plus, but y is fixed constant. So in that case, y2 equals to y1, and so angle of inclination is 0, and hence slope is also 0, as tan 0 equals to 0. Next, if tan theta equals to, as is, no, tan theta equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and if x2 minus x1 equals to 0, that is x2 equal to x1, thus any line which is parallel to y-axis in that case, abscissa of all the points are same. So in that case, tan theta equals to undefined. So we can say that any line which is parallel to x-axis whose slope is 0, and any line which is parallel to y-axis whose slope is undefined. Next, we see the following figures. Next, see the following figures, which is as follows. Number 1, number 2, this is number 3, and this is number 4. If any straight line makes equal angles with positive direction of x-axis and y-axis. In this case, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. So this is 135 degree. So slope in that case is tan of 135 degree equals to minus. In this case, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, and hence this is the positive direction of x-axis, and hence slope in that case tan 45 degree equals to 1. Here angles are 45 degree, 45 degree. Vertically opposite angle is also 45 degree, and this is the positive direction of x-axis, and hence here slope m equals to tan 45 degree equals to 1. And here, that is figure number 4, here this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree angle, so this angle is 135 degree. That is the positive direction of x-axis, and in that case angle of inclination is 135 degree and slope m equals to tan 135 degree equals to minus 1. And so from these 4 figures we can conclude that if a line is equally inclined to the axis, then it will make an angle 45 degree or 135 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, and hence the slope in these cases are either plus 1 or minus 1. So from the above discussion, students, it is clear that slope of a straight line is very important to move a straight line with fixed direction. So to form a straight line, we have to learn slope of straight line very carefully. Thank you, students. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.